Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this makeup look right here. I am using this eyeshadow palette and this lipstick. Happy New Year. I know I've been MIA again, but I've been sick. I got the flu. I got a fever and it was really bad. But now I'm back and healthy, I hope. No more getting sick. Happy 2018. I hope this year brings you a lot of happiness. And I hope it brings you guys a lot of success. If you guys want to know how to get this look using Italian makeup, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and make sure to hit the bell notification on the side so you can be notified whenever I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. This is Wycon Cosmetics. My mother-in-law actually went to Italy, and with my father-in-law as well. They both went to Italy and she brought me back makeup. So I'm so excited and thank you so much for bringing it to me. She knows my love for makeup and she watches my videos. So here they are. Thank you so much. And I got the eyeshadow palette in Nude and Wild. This is the girls' eye palette. And then I also got the Wycon Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade 77 Dolce. Let's see what I'm gonna work with. I still don't know what the colors look like. Ooh, so here they are. You get mostly purples. So I'm gonna use this purple shade here, this one, and this one. It does come with the brush as well. I'm gonna use it. This is what it looks like. So it's a flat eyeshadow brush. It's good quality actually. I already have everything primed. I have my eyebrows ready. Everything is set. So let's just start with the eyeshadow and then we'll jump into the liquid lipstick. The first shade that I'm gonna use today is this one right here. It's like a pinky purple shade. And I'm gonna use that with my E30 brush from Morphe. It's a fluffy brush. I did set my concealer with translucent powder, which I have heard that if you set it with translucent powder, the colors are not gonna show up vibrant. So I'm just gonna pack this on. I can't believe this is my first video of 2018. I'm pretty late, but I've been sick for so long and just being in bed and feeling terrible, calling out of work, just, you know, using my sick days. And yeah, that's what I've been doing this 2018, starting the year off right, being sick. I'm not fully recovered just yet. I'm gonna jump into this purple shade over here. This is the matte shade over here. There's only like 4 matte shades. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. Those are the only matte shades. So I'm gonna jump into this purple, the dark one. So that is so nice. These eyeshadows blend out like a dream. I kind of want to leave it matte. I don't want to use those shimmer shades, but I will use a little bit of the shimmer shade in the inner corner. So I'm going to jump into this shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to apply a little bit in the inner corner. So if you live in Italy, or if you're from Italy, or if you're visiting Italy, make sure you stop by the store. This is the Wycon Cosmetics store. And thank you to everyone who has been worrying about me. Because I've been obviously MIA. Thank you for your concerns. Thank you to my subscribers. You guys are so lovely to me. I don't have a lot of resolutions this year. But the only thing is, you know, keep losing weight, staying healthy, and then just uploading more often on YouTube. That is my goal. This color is so amazing. It's so nice. I know I say amazing a lot, but it is amazing. I'm not even going to the gym. That's how like delicate I am right now. I don't want to get sick again and go back to the gym and just like get sick again, you know, because it's freaking cold out there. But I might go back tonight. We'll see, because I am gonna wear like a big jacket and just cover up when I get out of the gym, because I get out sweating. So I am done with the eyes. I just added mascara, liquid eyeliner, and then eyeliner in the waterline. But now we're gonna move on to the lips. We're gonna use this liquid lipstick from Wycon Cosmetics. It is in the number 77, Dolce. This is like a darker nude, and the consistency of it is like a moussey feeling, and I love the doe foot applicator. I'll probably look online and just see what other countries I would like to try. Let me know other makeup from other countries that you guys want me to try in the comments. Wow, this color is amazing. I am shook right now. That is so pretty. You guys know I usually go with the lighter shade, but this is making me step out of my comfort zone. I am obsessed with this. And I love how comfortable it is on the lips. I am shook up to the core. I hope you guys like this look. I really like it. It's so simple yet so sophisticated and like dramatic. I am obsessed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I had fun filming it for you guys. And make sure to leave some comments down below letting me know which makeup you guys would like me to try. Like Japanese makeup, for example, or anything else. Any ideas, leave them down below. And please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.